hurricane season doesn't negotiate. The average storm damage claim? $50,000. Gone. But some homes don't even flinch. Hurricane-proof, prefab, and ready to ship, starting at $45,000. So, why is nobody talking about this? If you live in Florida, along the Gulf Coast, or anywhere a hurricane has ever made you genuinely question whether your house was going to still be standing in the morning, this video is built for you. For decades, the assumption has been that hurricane-resistant construction means one thing: expensive, slow, and ugly. Reinforced concrete, 18-month build timelines, and a price tag that has no business being in the same conversation as affordable. That assumption is wrong, and it's gotten more wrong every year. There are 11 companies actively building Category 4 and Category 5 rated homes, in factories, as modular and prefab units, at price points most people flat out don't believe until they look them up. We're covering all 11 today, starting at the cheapest and working up. Let's go. 1. Bauhu Living, starting approximately $11,350. The one that surprises people the most isn't a steel structure. It isn't reinforced concrete. It's bamboo. Bauhu Living builds modular homes from grade A timber bamboo, and the engineering logic here is sound. Bamboo doesn't resist hurricane force wind by being rigid. It resists it by bending. That's the same principle that keeps bamboo forests standing through storms that level traditional timber structures, and the same concept engineers apply to high-rise buildings and wind-heavy environments. Their Zen 560 is a compact 2-bedroom, open-plan layout at 560 square feet. Larger configurations scale up to 2,766 square feet of interior space with an additional 1,163 square foot covered porch. Every unit ships worldwide, meets building codes and hurricane zones, and carries a 20-year structural warranty. Entry pricing starts at $11,350 for their smallest model. This isn't a forever home for a family of 5. It's for someone who needs a hurricane-resistant coastal structure, a secondary property, or a guest house, without betting $200,000 on the outcome. As an entry point on this list, nothing else comes close to this price. 2. Nation CAT 5 Home, approximately $75,000 to $188,000. For families who want an actual home layout, bedrooms, kitchen, living room, front door, Nation's CAT 5 series deserves a close look. The construction method is ICF, insulated concrete forming. Interlocking foam blocks get filled with reinforced concrete and produce walls that are simultaneously fireproof, soundproof, termite-proof, and rated to withstand Category 5 hurricanes. Insurance companies tend to respond well to ICF homes, which often translates into lower annual premiums, a savings that compounds quietly but meaningfully over time. Nation completes roughly 75% of each build in their factory before transporting it to your site. A dedicated construction manager is assigned to each project from start to finish. Pricing runs $75,000 to $188,000, depending on size and configuration. A 2-bedroom model lands between $100,000 and $130,000. A 3-bedroom comes in at $140,000 to $188,000. Delivery is included. Pre-approval is available online. For a family that needs a hurricane-rated home with a real floor plan at a price that doesn't require financial reconstruction on top of the construction, this is one of the most complete packages on the list. 3. Ocala Custom Homes, approximately $80 to $160 per square foot. Most of these companies give you 2 or 3 models to choose from. Ocala Custom Homes gives you dozens. They operate as a multi-manufacturer dealer: Jacobson, Southern Energy, Prime, Redmond, which means their catalog spans models from 864 to 2,085 square feet, with a wide range of 2- and 3-bedroom configurations. You're not picking from a limited menu. You're picking from something that more closely resembles an actual home building experience. The hurricane specifications are serious. Category 5 and 200 miles per hour, wind-rated, impact-resistant glass on windows and doors, raised construction to reduce flood exposure, and full compliance with Florida building codes. If you know what Florida building codes looked like before and after Hurricane Andrew, you understand what that last point means. Pricing at $80 to $160 per square foot puts a 1,200 square foot 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom home at roughly $96,000 to $192,000. Virtual tours are available for many models online, which matters if you're relocating from another state and can't physically visit a showroom. If your main frustration with prefab homes has always been the limited selection, Ocala Custom Homes is the direct answer to that problem. 4. Eco Steel, approximately $112 to $160 per square foot custom. Micro homes from approximately $160,000. There's a straightforward argument for steel frame construction in hurricane zones. There's almost nothing organic in the structure to fail. Eco Steel builds out of South Carolina, not a state that engineers hurricane specifications for show, and their all-steel outer shell with raised floor system carries FEMA flood and hurricane ratings as standard. Wind resistance is rated to 140 plus miles per hour. Their microhome line runs from 500 to 1,020 square feet of living space at $112 to $160 per square foot for larger custom builds. A 1,500 square foot 3-bedroom home lands between $168,000 and $240,000. Microhome configurations start at around $160,000. One practical detail worth paying attention to: steel frame homes typically qualify for lower homeowners insurance premiums than traditional wood construction. In Florida and along the Gulf Coast, that difference can be significant across the life of a mortgage. Eco Steel isn't trying to win design awards. They're trying to build you a home that's still standing when your neighbor is filing a FEMA claim. In a hurricane zone, those are the right priorities. 5. Affinity Modular, approximately $148 to $202 per square foot. This one was on HGTV. That's not the most important thing about it, but it's a useful introduction. Affinity Modular, now Avantum Company, builds net-zero-ready hurricane-resistant modular homes out of their factory in Lakeland, Georgia. Their Paradise Point model, 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom, 1,680 square feet, with 2 factory-installed porches that bring the total to 2,124 square feet, was featured on HGTV's 100-Day Dream Home in October 2025 and named the February 2026 Modular Home of the Month. Specs: 180 plus miles per hour wind resistance, FEMA elevated foundation, hurricane-rated impact windows and doors, all installed at the factory, hardy cement board siding, standing seam metal roof, 95% complete before it ever reaches your property. Pricing runs $148 to $202 per square foot. The Paradise Point at 1,680 square feet comes out to approximately $248,000 to $339,000. The HGTV feature is a footnote. The more important line on their resume is this: multiple Affinity homes survived Category 5 Hurricane Ian with no structural damage, while neighboring site-built homes were destroyed. The television segment is nice. Hurricane Ian is the credential. Topsider Homes, approximately $175 to $300 per square foot. Topsider Homes has been building since 1968. More than 10,000 homes completed. That's not a marketing angle. It's a documented track record that runs across some of the most destructive storm seasons in the last half-century. Their post and beam panelized construction system uses a pedestal foundation that elevates the entire living structure on a central column, raising it above storm surge level. On the lower level, breakaway walls are engineered to collapse intentionally under water pressure, redirecting the force before it ever reaches the main structure above. That design has survived direct hits from hurricanes Ian, Irma, Harvey, Sandy, Katrina, Rita, Ivan, Andrew, and Dorian, rated to 200 miles per hour. Over 300 floor plans are available, ranging from 800 to 5,000 plus square feet. A 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom home at 1,525 square feet runs between $266,875 and $457,500, depending on finish level. Coastal, craftsman, and contemporary styles are all offered. One detail that often gets skipped in the comparison: on sloping or coastal terrain, the pedestal foundation eliminates the need and cost of traditional graded foundations. In those situations, the engineering solution and the financial solution happen to be the same thing. 7. Katana House. 1. Starting approximately $200 per square foot. Most hurricane-resistant homes share the same visual problem. They look like what they are: defensive, utilitarian, like you're building a structure to endure something, not a home to live in. Katana House 1 is a Nordic-inspired prefab that meets Florida's hurricane codes at Category 5 level. Their wall system uses prefabricated SIP panels, structural insulated panels, in a woodless configuration, which produces both the structural performance and the clean modern look you'd typically find in homes with no storm rating at all. 3 package tiers are available: Eco for the budget-conscious buyer, Katana, modern for the mid-range, and Ultimate for buyers who want the full specification. Shell-only kits, where you manage the interior finishes yourself, are available at reduced price points. Foundation is calculated separately. Kit delivery runs 60 to 120 days, starting from the low 200s per square foot. The premise is clean. You shouldn't have to choose between a home that can handle a hurricane and a home you actually want to look at. For buyers who've scrolled past every other option on this list because the aesthetics didn't work for them, Katana House 1 is built around that specific frustration. 8. DelTec Homes. Approximately $250 to $500 per square foot. If you want the most independently verified hurricane survival record in American residential construction, the answer is DelTec Homes. A 99.9% survival rate over 30 years of direct hurricane strikes. Andrew, Katrina, Wilma, Michael, Dorian, Ian. Documented not by company press releases, but by independent post-storm field surveys. The engineering reason comes down to geometry. DelTec builds round homes. A round home gives wind nowhere to push. Force distributes around the curved surface rather than loading against a flat wall. Their radial floor and roof truss system works like the spokes of a wheel, distributing load evenly in every direction rather than concentrating it at corner joints. Framing lumber is machine rated to 2,400 pounds per square inch, twice the standard residential specification. Their 360-degree signature collection currently offers 9 models and 77 floor plans. The Tranquility, a 3-bedroom option at 1,327 square feet, launched in July 2025. The Oasis extends to 2,070 square feet for larger families. Base wind resistance starts at 130 miles per hour, with upgrade packages to 160, 170, or 190 miles per hour, currently offering 50% off high wind upgrade packages. Pricing: $250 to $500 per square foot. This is not the affordable end of the list, but the survival record is what it is. 9. Florida Steel Homes, starting approximately $420,500. Florida Steel Homes was founded by a hurricane survivor. That context doesn't appear on a spec sheet, but it shapes how this company approaches everything they build. Based in Redington Beach, Florida, every home comes with a steel frame structure, impact-rated doors and windows, tested for debris and missile impact, not just wind load. Hurricane clips, waterproof roof membranes, and a free solar package included in every model. 3 signature models are available: the Breeze, the Sunrise, and the Ocean Crest. In-house designers customize floor plans for 2- and 3-bedroom configurations. Starting price is $388,500. That includes design consultation, structural setup, inspection, and the full solar package. No hidden costs on the back end, which, if you've been through any construction project, is worth more than it might sound. Build time is advertised at 50% shorter than traditional site construction. This is premium territory. But for Florida families who want a turnkey steel frame home from builders who personally understand what an unprepared house looks like after landfall, the extra investment carries a specific kind of credibility that a brochure can't fully capture. 10. Bauhu Homes. Approximately $390 to $550 per square foot installed. The last company on this list is the one you hire when the structure is only part of what you're purchasing. Bauhu builds fully custom prefab homes using a patent-pending hybrid steel frame system. Hurricane-rated impact windows and doors are standard. Every home is designed for your specific site conditions and calibrated to your local building codes, so the structural performance reflects your actual environment, not a generalized regional specification. Bauhu is currently active in Fort Myers Beach, Florida, a community with no shortage of first-hand understanding of what Category 5 damage looks like, and throughout the U.S. Virgin Islands. Their Caribbean project work is documented extensively on their project news page, and the build quality is visually evident. Installed pricing, $390 to $550 per square foot. This is the option for a buyer whose question isn't, is this affordable? But, is this the right product for this lot? Someone building a primary residence on a high-value coastal site, where both the engineering credentials and the architectural quality need to justify the investment. If that's the conversation you're having, Bauhu belongs in it. The hidden math. Before we close, here's the part most buyers miss when they're comparing these price tags to standard construction. Hurricane-rated homes carry financial offsets that don't show up in the purchase price. In Florida, a properly rated steel or concrete structure can reduce homeowners' insurance by thousands of dollars per year. DelTec's circular design is independently estimated to deliver 20% better energy efficiency than comparable square footage. That's a 30-year utility savings that compounds quietly in the background. The average U.S. hurricane damage claim exceeds $50,000. Full rebuilds after major storms run considerably higher. When you're looking at a $250,000 hurricane-rated modular home next to a $250,000 traditional stick-built in a storm-exposed location, you're not comparing two equivalent things. Run the 20-year math. The number usually shifts. That's 11 companies building hurricane-proof homes, and at least one of them starts at a price most people assume isn't possible. But here's something that didn't make it into this video. The right home is only half the equation. The other half is the land it sits on, the flood zone classification, the surge risk assessment, and whether your site has been properly evaluated before you break ground. Click on this video right here. That's exactly what it covers. See you there.